All right, everybody, welcome back. We are diving deep today into something I think is really cool. I mean, we're all seeing this AI stuff blowing up everywhere, right?
Yeah, absolutely. It's kind of mind-blowing.
It's not just about like, asking it trivia questions or writing you a poem or something.
Exactly.
This is about making AI work for you.
Yes.
Like really work.
In a real practical sense, yeah.
And that's what got me so excited about this video from Stacey Marvelous
Oh, yeah.
of Creative Flair LLC.
She's great.
She is all about using AI to like superpower her business.
Yeah, and I think she brings up a really good point in the video where she's not just talking about, like you said, asking it basic questions. She's talking about customizing it to your needs.
Yeah, like your specific business, the stuff you do every day, your goals, all that.
Exactly. It's like having a blueprint for the AI.
A blueprint. I like that.
So it knows exactly what you need.
So it's not just generic answers. It's tailored to you.
She gives this great example of how she uses it for daily planning.
Oh, yeah. Tell me about that.
So imagine this. ChatGPT already knows everything about Creative Flair LLC, right?
Okay.
It knows what products they sell, their marketing strategy, all of it.
So that's like it did its homework.
Exactly. And then Stacey can just ask it to create a daily plan for her, and boom.
And it just like spits it out, ready to go.
Well, not just spits it out. It generates a plan that makes sense, that takes into account deadlines, upcoming campaigns,
So it's not just a to-do list. It's like a strategy session with a super smart assistant.
Yeah, I think that's a great way to put it.
Okay, so that all sounds amazing. How does she actually do it?
Right, that's the big question, isn't it?
Is it just like feeding the AI a bunch of documents and hoping for the best?
Well, it's a bit more nuanced than that.
Okay.
She talks about this thing called prompt engineering.
Prompt engineering. That sounds kind of technical.
It's a little jargony, I know.
Yeah.
But it's basically the art of asking the AI the right questions in the right way to get what you want out of it.
So it's like you have to learn how to talk to the AI.
Exactly. It's like having a secret language with it.
I love that. A secret language for getting stuff done.
It makes it sound a lot more fun, right?
It does.
Yeah.
And Stacey really drives home this point of letting the AI work for you, not just with you.
Yes. I think that's such a crucial mindset shift.
Right. Like it's not just a tool you use sometimes. It's like an extension of yourself.
Like a partner who's always helping you out.
A silent partner who never gets tired.
And never asks for a raise.
Exactly.
But seriously, it really could change the way we work if we embrace this idea.
Absolutely. And you know what I really appreciate about Stacey?
What's that?
She's so excited about it. Like her enthusiasm is contagious.
She is. She's like, come on, everyone, let's do this.
Right. And she even invites viewers to reach out to her for more tips.
Which is awesome. I mean, knowledge is power, right?
Absolutely.
So thinking about everything we've talked about and all this potential with AI, I'd like to throw a question out to our listeners.
Ooh, okay, hit us with it.
Think about your own work, your daily routine. What's the one thing that you wish you could just automate or make more efficient?
Ooh, that's a good one.
Right. Could a customized AI help with that?
Something to think about for sure.
And as you're thinking about that, remember AI is still a tool.
Right. It's not magic.
Exactly. You have to learn how to use it properly.
And think about the ethics of it all.
That's a whole other deep dive.
Definitely.
Yeah.
But it has the potential to be really groundbreaking.
It does. And I, for one, am excited to see where it goes.
Me too. All right, everyone, that's it for our deep dive today.
Thanks for joining us.
Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the amazing world of AI.
And keep customizing. Bye, everyone. See ya.